Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Video sketch makers review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about this offer called the video sketch makers. So this is the video sketch makers review, and right now we are on a sales page where it says turn any video into an animated sketch, painting, cartoon or blackboard drawing in under 1 minute. 5-in-1 video sketch makers instantly apply 5 sketch effects to any video. Okay, so here are some examples of those videos, and this is the pencil sketch maker. So if I play this video, you will be able to see this is how your video would look like in the animation or sketch version. Okay, this looks cool to me, because in case people are not paying attention to your videos, you may try these effects, right? So let's try to play this one here, and it's a 10 seconds video. Again, you can see it's a real video just in the sketch form, right? Now if you want to have these kind of animated effects or sketch effects on your videos, you will have to go and buy this. They are giving you 5 types, colorful cartoon makers. So this is one more example here. Let's play this one too. So this looks like it's something to do with, I like it actually. This this looks like an animated game, even though this is a real video of a car running on the road, but it looks like this is a game. Okay, so this looks cool too. Here, this is painting maker. Let's take a look at the painting maker video too. So these are hot balloons in the air, and again these are real videos, but they look like now animated. Okay, so quite cool, I like them. And the last one is blackboard maker. So let's see how this is going to look like. This is again the same video of the hot balloons, and this is going to look like your blackboard video. Quite fascinating, just black and white, right? Cool. So these video sketch makers work great with any type of video. And then you have some bonuses, animated paper textures. Okay, now this could be good for people who are doing maybe online sketching. You know, if you're some artist or you have the passion, or you have the hobby of drawing sketches online or offline, I think you could use these things, and these are the bonuses, and you would know how to use these characters in your drawings, right? Now these check marks, so you will go and check all this thing, and there is a 30-day money back guarantee as well. Then you have 2 options. One is your commercial license or developer license, and second is PLR license. So the commercial license will cost you $17 to start with, and PLR license will cost you $37. PLR means that you can buy this and then you can sell this to someone else. Okay, so if you want to sell this as your own product, then you have to buy this in $37, and then you will be allowed to sell this as your own program or offer. Okay, now this was the front end, and what you can do with this, what you cannot do. So these are those differences. In commercial license you can do this and you can't do this. In PLR license you can do all of this, and you cannot give away for free and stuff like that. So you might be able to come to the sales page by clicking on the link below my YouTube video. It might be saying grab video sketch makers copy here. Click on that link. That link will take you to the sales page. Check out everything and then go and buy if you want to. It's no brainer here. It's very simple offer. Okay, you have seen those 5 types of sketch animated videos. If you want them, go and get them. And then here we have some upgrades. So let me see. This is the front end. This is commercial. This is PLR. Then you have art makers pack. Now I don't have much information about these things, but when you will buy the front end, you will be taken to the sales pages of these OTOs, and if that suits your needs, you can upgrade as well. Okay, now the vendor is Max Rylski, I guess. So let me show you his profile too. And if I come here, 4 stars out of 5, so it's good rating. It's not talking any BS here. It's not about that you go and buy and you make some money and all that. Okay, this is I guess some utility which you can use in your videos to maybe make them unique, and because this social media, YouTube and everything is full of videos. So how will you make somebody stick or watch your videos for longer times, right? So maybe you can try this, or if you are a student, if you are doing some project, or you want to sell these things maybe use this in your client's projects, and then you think that your client is going to like it, so you can charge some extra money for making these videos. For example, let's say you are a freelancer, okay, and you make those kind of normal blackboard videos, presentation videos, tutorial videos for your clients. But when you get this thing, then you can then you can send a sample to your client and ask your client that, okay, would you like me to make your videos in these in these effects in the future? And probably your client will say, yes, it's something unique, I would like to try. And in that case, you can go and pitch double. So if you're charging, let's say, $100 to your client for 1 minute video, for these videos you can charge them maybe 170, maybe 200, right? You know how it works, right? So if you are a smart person, if you're tech savvy, if you have been doing your business, you will be able to make some extra money by applying these sketch effects, okay? So go and try this. And for those people who are here, let's say, only for making money, or you are here as a newbie, I would say if you're gonna buy this, then just buy this for fun, okay? But if your end goal is only to make money, then this will not help you to make money, but this will help you to make some cool videos, okay? But your purpose is only to make money online, then you will have some links below my video, and one will be saying make money on autopilot with forex trading. So this is what I am talking about, forex trading, okay? So we do this with the help of a software, and that software does the trading on our behalf. So we like buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, and all that happens with the help of a software. So you will see that in next few minutes, okay? And if you want to make money on YouTube just like me, just by doing these reviews, then you can check out Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within a month. Monetize means when you're watching my YouTube video, in these videos, when you have seen these ads in my YouTube videos, these ads make me money, little bit money, whether you buy something from me or not. If you buy something from me, good. If you don't, then this video has still made some money because my YouTube channel is monetized, okay? So now we will talk about those people who want to make real money online. So watch the video till the end, subscribe to the channel as well. Now, if your end goal is only to make money online, then come below my video right now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and if you want to support and contribute, you may click on super thanks. Now, click on the first link here. It says make money on autopilot with forex trading. Now, forex trading is quite simple and complicated at the same time because it's about the knowledge. So you do not need to know exactly what's happening here, but if you take a look at this machine or the graph right now, this is a currency graph. So the concept is that you buy currency at low price and you sell when the price goes up. So buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, okay? Now we will not be doing any of this manually because we will be using a software, and then that software will be doing all this buying and selling automatically on our behalf, and we will be just making profits, okay? So again, come below and click on the first link here, then come on this page, enter your name, enter your email address, then click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. There are two videos on the main sales page of the syndicate, option 1 and option 2. Watch those two videos till the end to understand what this method is all about, okay? I cannot explain everything right now in this video, so you have to go and fill up the form, then watch those two videos till the end, and after that, if you want to get started, then you can contact me or message me on Skype, or if you have any questions, you can again message me on Skype, okay? Do not contact me before watching those two videos till the end, otherwise I will block you. Don't contact me without your, without doing your homework, okay? If you're not serious, get out. So contact me only if you're serious, interested, and you have done your homework, right? So fill up the form and go on the sales page, watch those two videos, and then you can get back to me because the syndicate will make you 60% profits weekly for doing nothing, because you do not have to go through any training, any modules or anything. I will be managing everything on your behalf. So I will be setting up the virtual machine, I will be setting up the graph, I will be installing the software, I will be giving the settings to the software, everything I will manage on your behalf. And once we start making profits with the system, then you get to keep 60% profits weekly and I get to keep 40% profits weekly. I'm talking about profits, okay? When the system makes money, then only you get paid and then only I get paid, right? If you want to know how to get started, fill up the form and watch those videos and then get back to me. Now, second link says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I am doing right now on YouTube. So in case you want to make money on YouTube by doing these reviews, or you want to make money without selling anything, then go and get Traffic Jarvis, because Traffic Jarvis will help you to make money on YouTube without even selling anything. For example, in this YouTube video, when you are watching my video, you have seen some ads as well. These ads make me money whether you buy something from me or not, okay? Because my YouTube channel is monetized, and in order for this to work for you, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel. And with the help of Traffic Jarvis, you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, right? So with Traffic Jarvis, you will be able to do exactly what I'm doing right now, make these reviews, affiliate marketing, email marketing, YouTube monetization, everything. But the difference between the first option here and the second option is that in first option, make money on autopilot with Forex thingy, you have to do nothing and you still make 60% profits. If you want to go and get Traffic Jarvis and work on YouTube, then you have to work manually, okay? Both methods work. I am doing them both personally, and I'm making money using both the methods because the first system is completely on autopilot. So I have time, and if I have time, I come on YouTube and I make my video. So I can do both. Now, I don't know your situation. You might want to go with the first option, or you might want to go with the second, or you might want to go with the both, just like me, okay? So choose whatever suits your situation, okay? In the end, again, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. As a YouTuber, I can't subscribe to my own channel, right? So check out these links, and in the end, I'll show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website where it says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything, okay? So before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers, okay? You need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission, okay? So these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers, okay? And then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes, okay? Now let's talk about YouTube Traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the Traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me, okay? The same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days. And after that, your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money, okay? And you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required, okay? And again, these numbers will change. These numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future, it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future, okay? All right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis, okay? And then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first. first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have, all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already, and experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for traffic service YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, bye bye, tai tai. That means tada, bye bye.